everyone, I'm Thawachai Singla from the Department of Food Animal Clinic, the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, Chiang Mai University, Thailand. Today, we are at the Rung Surya Dairy Farm, located in Doi Lo District, Chiang Mai Province. We are here with the big boss of the farm.
Hello, my name is Thawalakumbi. My nickname is Namia.
Nania, how old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Good. Nania, how many cows are there in your farm?
There are 95 cows in my farm.
Whoa, a lot.
Yes,
Nania, what is the breed of your cow?
my cows are Holstein Friesian breed.
Oh, black and white cow. Nania, how do you feed your cow?
The cows are fed with corn husks, straw, and concentrate feed.
Good. Nania, how many times do you feed your cow with the concentrate feed?
The cows are fed with the concentrate feed 2 times per day.
Nania, how many kilos of the concentrate feed that you feed your cow?
The cows are fed with the feed of 8 kilograms per cow per day.
Nania, how about the ravage?
The cows are fed with ravage liquidity.
All day?
Yes,
Okay. Okay, Nania, go ahead.
this is a dry cow stall.
When will the cow be dry off or stop milking?
When they are at 7 months of pregnancy.
Oh, right. Actually, the cow are pregnant for 9 months, so your cow will be dry for 2 months, right?
Yes,
Good. Okay, Nania, what is this stall?
this is the heifer stall.
The replacement cow are kept or grouped in this stall by age and size of them. Okay, Nania, how about this stall?
This is the milking stall.
How many times per day do you milk your cow?
The cows are milked 2 times per day.
Good. Do you bath the cow before milking?
Yes, I do.
How long that you let the cow to dry?
At least 30 minutes.
Yeah, good.
The others are wiped with the soft towel and then wiped with the dry towel. When the milking process is finished, shut off the vacuum cloud before removing the milk cloud. The milk is poured from the milking bucket to the transport bucket. Now, the milk is ready to transport to milk collection center.
This is Milk Collection Center of Mewang Dairy Cooperative. The members bring their raw milk to here for collection and sending to milk processing plants. This is the milk receiving room. The raw milk from all transport buckets of each farm is pulled and weighed in the milk receiving chamber. The bulk milk sample of each farm is collected by the staff for testing of milk quality and milk composition. After weighing and sample collection, the raw milk is delivered to the plate heat exchanger for decreasing of the milk temperature to 4 degrees Celsius before collection in the cooling tank. For this milk collection center, there are 3 methods for milk testing, including methylene blue reduction test, antibiotic residual test, and somatic cell count test. The milk samples of all farms are tested with the methylene blue reduction test every day. This is the antibiotic residual test kit. This test is provided for testing of milk samples from dairy cows after calving to make sure that no antibiotics residue in their milk that may be from dry cow therapy or antibiotic injection at the calving day. This test is not a routine testing for the bulk milk of all farms like the methylene blue reduction testing. However, the bulk milk samples of all farms will be collected and stored until the bulk milk will be sent to the processing plant. If the antibiotics are detected at the processing plant, the bulk milk will be rejected and the dark residue will be traced back from these stored samples. This is the portable somatic cell count machine. The results from this machine are used for monitoring of the milk quality but not for milk pricing. This machine is called the ice bank, which generates and delivers the cold water to use at the plate heat exchanger in the milk receiving room. This is the clean in place system or CIP system, which is used for cleaning and disinfection of the milk collection system of the milk collection center. This is the wastewater treatment tank, which is used for treatment of the wastewater before discharging to the pool. For this milk collection center, they have 3 transport trucks to transport the raw milk to the milk processing plants within the province and central Thailand.